आज हम बेक करने वाला पिज़्ज़ा। तो आज की वीडियो में पिज़्ज़ा बेक होगा, तो उसके लिए इंग्रेडिएंट्स मैं अभी आपके साथ शेयर करूँगी. So yeah, let us begin. The ingredients we need to make the pizza is pizza base. Here I am using a Haldiram's pizza base, which looks somewhat like this when it is packed, right? Then I am using Amul's processed cheese. Here it's written, right? I have taken out a cube out of this so that it becomes easy to grate it over. Then we need is a pizza pasta sauce. Here I have two of them. Here it is the Viva ones, pasta and pizza sauce, chef special. And I also have this Frick virgin pizza pasta sauce. And then the main ingredient, which is corn, because we are going to make cheese corn pizza. So corns. Then to add some seasoning over, here I have the Jack and Nick pizza and pasta seasoning. Then Viva Italia chili flakes and Golden Harvest oregano. The label has got off, but it's oregano. So here are the three seasonings I have: corn, cheese, pizza base and pizza sauce, pasta sauce. So yeah, let us begin with the how to make pizza finally. Yeah, let's begin. So here I am spreading some of the pizza pasta sauce with help of a butter knife, but I was not able to get the right quantity, so I just took out some pizza pasta sauce with help of a spoon and began to spread it. And some of the sauce just got stuck on my finger, so I just removed it. Then here you can see I'm too lazy to open up the bottle again, so I just took out the sauce which was on the spoon. And here I am spreading it over again and again and again and again, as if I'm painting. I'm doing the strokes like a parrot knife. So now it's not a painting video, so let's begin. So yeah, here I am putting up some cheese, not some but much cheese, because I love cheese. Now I'm going to put up some of the corns, because it's a cheese corn pizza and I love cheese corn pizza. So I'm putting up. Then I'm again putting up the cheese, because I don't want the corn to fall out when I'm eating. So then my mother will be putting it on the oven, because I'm too afraid, because my hands shiver when the hot things come near to me. So it's on there, and the gas is on low flame, so it will be ready in 10 to 15 minutes. And meanwhile, you guys give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, you know the drill, right? Like, share and subscribe. So I'm waiting. I was waiting so desperately, I can't tell you. So finally the pizza is ready after 15 minutes, and I'm taking it out on a plate. And now I will be adding different seasonings. So I just love to put up the seasonings, because they make the pizza super delicious. Now first seasoning which I am adding over here is mixed herbs, Jack and Nick. Then I am putting it. I am amongst those who love to put up seasonings. Now the next seasoning which I am putting up is oregano. So the most favorite seasoning of mine is oregano, so I like to put up a lot of it. And yeah, last but not the least, I'm putting up some chili flakes. It really makes your pizza spicy and feel like, if you're amongst those who love spicy things, so you must put on chili flakes. So it is ready to get cut, and here I am cutting it also. Now I'll be cutting it into really very small pieces, because it becomes very easy to eat. You should cut it in like a regular size pizza, but I like to cut it into 8 parts. And here you can see you should only cut it into 4, but I love to cut it into 8, because it really makes a pizza. So here I have arranged them, and here how they look. So our pizza, cheese corn pizza is ready. So yeah, thanks for watching.